welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How you doing, queens? How you doing? What's good? Guys, I'm super excited to be back on the channel bringing you another fantastic wig review. And this time, queens, I am partnering with a brand called UNA Hair. And I want to say thank you to UNA Hair for partnering with your girl, okay, to bring you this fantastic video today. So here is the box that they sent to your girl, okay? This is the beautiful packaging, very colorful. I like it. It's very different. Beautiful green, all right? So they sent me this beautiful box. And I'm going to open it up right now and just show you guys briefly the cute stuff you get when you order from the company. And of course, all their details is going to be in the description box, so definitely go check it out. They sent your girls some lashes, okay, some individual lashes. And your girl has never used these before, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay, maybe I'll do a video trying out these for you guys, because I have never used lashes like this individuals. But they look super interesting, okay? Super interesting. They're called the Clear Band Fox Eyelash, okay? I'm excited about this one. All right, so they gave us a beautiful lashes and then a beautiful HD wig cap. All right, love it. And also these two hair clips. A little extra pre-cut lace. And lastly, they gave me these cute hair clips as well, nice and pink. Okay, super cute. So these are all very, very nice. So thank you, UNA Hair. I'm super excited to be working with you guys. So let's take a look at the hair. Check it out. Your girl picked color. Okay, remember I told you guys I'm gonna be like trying out more color because I think color is fun. So queens, check out this hair. I'm gonna do a close-up shot so you guys can take a look at the lace. All the description is gonna pop up right there on the screen. All right, it is a 9x7 glueless synthetic lace front. It comes pre-plucked and pre-cut. Are we loving the color or what? Okay, so it's nicely cut. The lace is very nice. And again, I'm sure you saw it up close. You have two combs in the sides and a comb at the back. And of course, a band at the back, okay, to keep your hair down. And this is perfect, guys, because it is glueless. But of course, you can glue it down. So let's give it a try. So here we go. The wig cap is down. So I'm going to take a little bit of my wig makeup kits right here. Just put a little bit of wig makeup on that. Boom. It is super smooth. The comb is running through it beautifully and no tangles, okay? So let's give it a whirl. I like to fold like so. Place it right on the forehead. Hold your band. This is kind of my technique, okay? Just like so. And then I put the band right over and you pull it over. And voila. And then you can adjust where you want it to sit. So I just pulled it back. So just put my mirror right there so I can see. All right. So boom, guys. There it is, right on. You can glue it down, like I said, but of course it is marketed as glueless. Okay, you can glue it down. It has layers. Are you guys able to see the layers? It's got layers. Very, very nice. And for those of you who are wig gurus, okay, who are very into, the cutting and the styling and the things, I'm sure you can even cut more layers into it if you want to. It's super flat, super flat. I hope the camera is picking it up. It's laying super flat and I love that. But of course, for those of you who love to customize, I'm sure you can do a little extra stuff, but right now this hair has got me feeling super fine, super slick. Okay, do we love it? What are your thoughts? Very smooth. It's nice and soft. It's very silky. It has great movement. And I'm just obsessed with this color. Let's see. Just looking into my mirror, which is right here in front of me. How's the edges? How is the lace? Not looking bad. Okay, not looking bad. I might trim a little bit off. Okay. Let's see if I can take a little bit of makeup here. Put a little bit of foundation down the hairline. All right, let's do a little bit of something, something. All right, just take some of my little mousse here. A little bit of baby hair, nothing too crazy. There you have it, queens. Okay, just a little extra something, something. I am loving the color. It's the color for me, girl. Okay, this chocolate has got me feeling sexy. Are we loving the movement of this hair though? So queens, what are your thoughts? Are we loving the fact that it's actually a synthetic fiber hair, but she's still gorgeous, honey? And I love the price point, okay? Get excited, get into it. Check out the description for all the deets. They may or may not be a code, but check in the description, okay? Check out their website. They're also on TikTok, okay? Check them out, try them out, and go support the brand, okay? So let me know in the comments, queens. Are you excited? Are you loving the color? Are you loving the hair? What are your thoughts? Are you gonna go check out the brand? Let them know Eddie J sent you. I wanna say thank you to you and A Hair for partnering with your girl to bring you this video today. Guys, check them out. Let me know what you think when you get your box. Ladies, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to share. Somebody may be looking for a very nice chocolate hair that moves, okay? And of course, they do have other products on their website, so definitely give them a try. But listen, get this chocolate though, okay? Get this chocolate. All right, queen, so thank you for joining me today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.